In my bowl I have 450 grams of flour. To that add a pinch of salt, 100 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, and lastly 200 grams of butter. Add 6 egg yolks, lemon zest, add 1 tablespoon of sour cream, cut your dough to 1 bigger and 1 smaller piece. Place both in the fridge or freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Add a jam of your choice. I'm using apricot jam. Bake it on 170 degrees for 5 minutes. In my bowl I have 6 egg whites. To that I add a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add half a lemon juice. Gently mix in ground walnuts. For the topping, use any jam of your choice. I'm using plum jam. Bake it in a preheated oven on 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!